are words used instead of a noun. That is to say, instead of you to mention the name of the person you are talking about, you have to use a pronoun to replace the name of this person. Remember, pronouns can be in the nominative case, that's the performer of the action, accusative case, direct receiver, dative case, indirect receiver. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Doreen, and on this episode of German language class, we are going to be learning how to use the German pronouns. So please stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share this video. Now, pronouns are words used instead of a noun. Instead of you to mention the name of something repeatedly, you got to use a pronoun to replace the name of that thing so that you don't repeatedly mention that particular name. When we talk about nouns, it's always so difficult for students to know what nouns are. Remember, nouns are names of things, okay? Places, animals. And when we talk about replacing nouns with pronouns, we mean using the right pronouns to replace nouns. Now, in German language, when you want to replace a noun with a pronoun, you have to be thinking of whether the noun you want to replace is one, that is singular, or if it is two, which is plural. I will start telling you the different pronouns we have in German by introducing them one after the other. The first personal singular pronoun is ich. Ich. Ich means I. That is to say, I am the person that is talking. You use ich when you are talking about one person that is performing an action, and that person is you. You are the one performing an action in a sentence. That's when you say ich. For example, ich esse, I am eating. Ich komme, I am coming. I am the one performing this action in this sentence. Understood? Good. The second singular personal pronoun is du. Du. Du means you. Remember, in German they have different yous. This particular you that is du used to refer to a friend, someone you don't need to give so much respect. Remember, du is you and it's for one person. Example is du isst, you are eating. Du kommst, you are coming. Okay? The third singular personal pronoun is divided into three. The first one is er. Er. It represents masculine nouns. In this case, remember, you are not the performer of this action. And in English, that er means he. That is he, okay? Is the one performing the action. Er kommt means he is coming. Er isst means he is eating. And this er is used for all the masculine nouns that are one. That is singular. The second type of this third person personal pronoun is sie. Sie. In German, you have a lot of z's. So know the difference. This is the first time I'm introducing the sie. The sie means she, and it's used to represent all feminine nouns that are just one. They are not more than one, they are singular. You can still make the sentence. Sie kommt. She is coming. Sie isst, she is eating. Third personal singular pronoun in German is es. Es is like it. It is a neutral noun. It's used to represent all the neutral nouns. Now es is for one thing, and I say it's for neutral. You can say es kommt. That means it is coming. We don't know what that is. We don't know whether it's a feminine or masculine noun. Es ist, it is eating. We don't know what that is. Remember that these third personal pronouns are for the third party, referring to the third party. That is to say, the person that you are talking about, representing someone that is not there that you are talking about, or even if the person is there, but you are referring to another person, not yourself, not the person you are talking to, but the next person. Coming to the plural personal pronouns, we have the first plural personal pronoun to be wir. Wir, that is we. Okay, because you are included, you and other persons. Wir is the plural or even opposite. of each. Okay, each means one person, wir means you are among, and other person included. Okay, wir essen, we are eating. Wir kommen, we are coming. Okay, the second personal plural pronoun is ihr. Ihr means you people. When you refer to people that you don't need to give respect to, but they are more than one person. I don't know if you understand. These people are your friends. They are familiar to you. You don't need to give them so much respect, okay? But they are not one person. They are more than one. When you want to make use of you people, like we say in English, you know that it is ihr that you can use. So you can make a sentence by saying ihr kommt, ihr kommt, ihr esst, ihr esst. You people are eating, you people are coming. Du means one person, ihr means more than one person that is a friend to you, that is familiar to you, that you don't need to show so much respect, or that you are older than. The third plural personal pronoun is two. One is Z, and this Z I call it the capital Z. It has two functions. It means you, for someone that you need to respect, that is just one person you need to show respect to, that is one. You know that is a capital Z. Okay, you have to say Sie kommen, that means you are coming. Sie essen, you are eating, but it is one person. You have to give that person respect. Then this Z can as well be used for more than one person that you need to show respect to. You have to show this person's respect. They are no longer one person, they are more than one person. You have to show these people respect. Okay, and you want to say you people. Okay, you said Sie essen. You people are eating, that means you are eating. Sie kommen, you are coming. We have the Z, which I call the small z. This small z is mainly for the plural of Z, and S. Remember, Z, and S, they are the third singular personal pronouns. So the Z, which is the plural personal pronoun, is the plural of this Z, and S. Okay, this Z plural is the plural of everything. Once something is more than one and you don't want to mention the name of that thing, you are going to be using the Z plural. For example, you have Sie kommen, they are coming. Sie essen, they are eating. I'm going to give you the few sentences to differentiate between the Z of singular and the Z of plural, and as well make a sentence to see how to represent these nouns with the personal pronouns. Most times when students make sentences, they don't know when to represent what with which pronoun, and it becomes so difficult for them. But I'm going to teach you that today. I will beg you to please subscribe to this channel, share this video to other people that are also willing to learn German language. Like this video and ask your questions in the comment section. When you make a sentence and mention one person, let's make a sentence and use a masculine noun. For example, if I say Emeka is eating a hamburger, it will be Emeka isst einen Hamburger in German. Now, if I want to replace Emeka, I don't want to continue making the sentence and keep calling Emeka, I will need a pronoun. Since Emeka is a masculine noun, I'm going to be using a pronoun which is also a masculine in the nominative to represent this Emeka. I will say isst einen Hamburger. Isst einen Hamburger. Ngozi is playing with the cat. Ngozi spielt mit der Katze. Ngozi is playing with the cat. I'm going to say sie spielt mit der Katze. Sie spielt mit der Katze. In this case, Ngozi is a female name in Igbo language where I come from. I'm going to represent Ngozi with Z, which is the the pronoun for feminine. I'm using the Z and my verb is ending with T because I'm mentioning only one thing. The example for the neutral noun. Das Auto fährt schnell. The car is driving fast. Because das Auto is a neutral noun in German, I'm going to use that S, which is a neutral pronoun. I will say, es fährt sehr schnell. Es fährt sehr schnell. That means it is driving very fast. Now, I want you to know that if you mention a noun that is just one noun, your verb conjugation in German is mostly going to end with a T in the present tense. You don't expect the verb conjugation to end with EN because you just mentioned only one thing. Once you mention a noun, check the gender of that noun. Is it masculine? You use er. Is it feminine? Now use Z. Is it neutral? Now you are going to be using S to replace the nouns. Alright, for the plural, once you mention something that is more than one, know that you are going to be using the Z plural, the last Z, and that last Z covers whether the thing is a masculine noun, feminine or neutral. As long as it's more than one, you will use the Z. And when you conjugate your verb, you will see that your verb will end with EN. Once you mention something that is more than one, you might use a conjunction. You can say Emeka und Ngozi. They are noun too. You can say er und Z. You are going to say Z. That is the last Z for the conjugation of verb. Z plural. Okay? To replace the sentence. Emeka and Ngozi are eating. It will be Sie essen. Sie essen, meaning they are eating. If you say something like die Kinder lesen, the children are reading, it will be Sie lesen. I'll still teach you people how to form pronouns on now. I believe that you have understood the use of German personal pronouns, especially in the nominative. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, which will be simple German sentences and how to respond to this. So please like this video, share it, comment, ask your question, and bring subscribers to my channel. Please beg people to help and subscribe to my channel so that I can grow my channel. Cheers.